Alright, I deleted some of videos and pictures so I could fit more in. Tell me if anyone, like, in the comments below, like, tell me if it's easier to do live video on on YouTube than just doing videos on your camera, because it keeps shutting me. Alright, but let's get back to work. So I ended with that, and it was really good. Very crispy, not like a cookie. I definitely give that a 10 out of 10. That was perfect. That was really good. Anytime I ask anyone, family, friends, like, they are so, like, scared to try new things, think it's gonna taste really bad. And, like, I want to put people in the videos. That'd be really cool. Oh, that doesn't smell very good. Alright, so I have this one, like, shrimp on top. Maybe it's seafood. Huh. Maybe I'll like it. I love seafood, so maybe I'll like it. Not really. I mean, I don't know. My battery's dying. I'm gonna take these off, maybe, so you don't see the glare, so you can see my eyes. I don't know if that helps, but I'm so blind. Oh, maybe I'm gonna turn this around, and I'm gonna get my charger. Mwah. Oh, I didn't know you can see him. You just saw me give him kisses. I'll give him puppy kisses. I have so much trouble with my charger getting in. No dirty comments, please. Just checking the time. Alright. So it was kind of weird. Kind of tasted like shrimp, but then again, it kind of tasted like that ketchup one. Oh, Jesus. I feel like I'm really low, but I got too tired sitting on my feet. So next, Japanese peanuts. I keep forgetting, not over here, over here. So Japanese peanuts is really good. I love these. Now, for some Mexican drinks, they put these in them because they're really good, and sometimes they're spicy, like on the right outside. Really good. So for a little bit, you gotta like suck on them to get the outer shell like soft. And if you can hear that crunch, yeah. So Japanese peanuts are with a hard outer shell that you can eat, and with the peanut inside. So I'm definitely gonna give these a 10 out of 10. It's really good. I love these. Not bad. I love them. So yeah, for these ones, you don't have to suck on them to get the outer shell softer. But for certain Japanese peanuts, you would have to, or else you're going to break a tooth. I've almost done that. I'm going to try this one. This guy, I keep putting it on the wrong side. So, this guy is a